Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be swatching all 5 shades of Pixi Beauty's new TintFix Satin Lip Tint. Let's get started. These are soft focus multi-use tints that hydrate while delivering a long-lasting smudge-free color. There are 5 shades in the lineup: Heavenly, Soft, Love, Calm, and Adore. Starting with Heavenly, this is a delicate baby pink that gives that barely there natural look. I think this one would look much better with a lip liner, but the texture is so silky and smooth, it just melts into my lips like a dream. Next is Soft, a muted mauve, super wearable and chic. This is a great go-to shade for a polished look, not to mention these are infused with rosehip oil to moisturize, jojoba oil to nourish, and raspberry leaf extract to condition, so my lips feel as good as they look. Now on to Love. This one is my absolute favorite. It's a rich berry tint that just brings so much life to the face. I feel like this shade instantly brightens up my complexion, and it's perfect for both casual and glam moments. Because these are buildable, I can wear it as a light wash of color for daytime or layer it up for a more defined lip. Calm is a warm burnt orange shade that's super flattering. This formula can also work as a cheek tint too, so I can always dab a little bit onto my cheeks for that effortless monochrome look. And last but not least, Adore, a rosy, soft red that's bold and beautiful. This is the kind of shade that makes me feel confident instantly. It's not too overpowering, but it still gives that elegant, timeless red lip energy. And the best part, they don't transfer. And that completes all 5 swatches of the new TintFix by Pixi Beauty. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!